Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. So I am very far behind on announcing and shipping out all of my giveaways for the past few months, like 4 months or so. When it comes to like mailing people items, the pandemic really has kind of hit things hard, especially people from outside the US. So that's partially the reason why this is so far behind, but I need to catch up with this. So let's go ahead and do this. We're just gonna go through all of them real quick right now. The winner of the Slytherin's Locket is Diane Wolfe. The winner of the Owl Exam is Lola Savage. The Star Wars Pizzac deck goes to Jessica Guerrero. The You Know Pooh labels go to Christine Grasso. The Borgin and Burke's catalog, Tom Riddle's copy, goes to Jennifer Brewer. The winner of the Darkest Art book cover is Carolina Cheslick. The winner of the Magical Mastery certificate is Suryadipta Nath. The winner of the Practical Pocket Book of Chiromancy is Cecil Jacobson. The Living with Lycanthropy pamphlet goes to Angelica Petros. And the Mink Gold Foil applicator goes to Real Rock 1983. I've sent all of you guys emails. Get back to me. Let's work out how we can get these things to you. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.